Hello, good morning to everyone. Today I am discussing the normal human body values. So we have to know the normal values of our body so we can differentiate or identify normal and abnormal conditions. So here first one is the blood pressure, that is 120 by 80 mmHg. Normal pulse rate 60 to 100 beat per minute, temperature 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and in Celsius that is 37 degree Celsius, and normal respiration rate is 12 to 20 breaths per minute, and in hemoglobin in male 30 to 17 gram per deciliter, in female 12 to 60 gram per deciliter. Then normal cholesterol value is 98 to 106 milliequivalent per liter. Then sodium 136 to 145 milliequivalent per liter. Then the amount of blood in body 4.5 to 5.7 liter. Then the normal value of WBC, that is white blood cell, that is 5,000 to 10,000 cells. Normal platelets 150,000 to 450,000 platelets per microliter. The normal calcium level is 9 to 10.5 mg per deciliter. Normal vitamin D3 50 nanomole per liter. Then the normal value of RBC, that is red blood cell, in male 4.7 to 6.1 million cell per microliter, and in while female 4.2 to 5.4 million cells per microliter. Now the next is the blood sugars level in fasting 70 to 100 mg per deciliter, in random 90 to 140 mg per deciliter. Then the normal value of blood urea in human body 15 to 45 mg per deciliter, and the normal value of uric acid is in male 4 to 8.5 mg per deciliter, while in adult female that is 2.7 to 7.3 mg per deciliter.